guys, so I am headed to the beach and the first thing I do is apply sunblock to prevent any type of heat damage and also a lip balm that preferably has SPF. Next, I am going to apply this L'Oreal BB cream, which is actually perfect since it also has SPF on it, and I am just applying that evenly all over my face. Since I won't be going in the water or anything, I'm mainly just going there to enjoy the breeze. I am going to set the BB cream with a translucent powder. Next are my eyebrows. I am just going to lightly fill them in. And after that, my mascara. For my lips, I'm using Pose-a-Tint by Benefit. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but I love this stuff. It's super long lasting. And after that, I'm applying my favorite bronzer by lightly dusting it all over my face. And I'm also using the Pose-a-Tint for my blush. It works for lips and the cheeks, so it's best of both worlds. And lastly, I am going to use Skindinavia's finishing spray to set my makeup. Okay, so now onto the hair. I am going to apply a small amount of anti-frizz serum and just basically spreading that all over my hair. Next, I am going to take my hair straightener to create loose waves. So basically, I'm wrapping random sections of my hair to the straightener and twisting it around. And you just keep doing that to random sections to create a wavy effect. And yep, that's pretty much it for the hair. I'm finishing off with a polishing gloss and we are all done.